Welcome back to Chinese New Year 2020, the year of the rat. Be excited, there's a lot going on this year, a lot of good stuff for a lot of signs. So hold on tight, let's get into it. If you were born 1921, 1933, 1945, 1957, 1969, 1981, 1993, 2005 or 2017, you're a rooster. So 2020 is a good stable year like last year for roosters. You will just go with the flow. You may see resolution to some issues or concerns you have had that have troubled you over the last few years. Money and career. Great for business dealings, and by utilising your network, you will have good luck with your finances. You're in the money. You may look at investments, think property, precious metals and or collectibles. Love and relationships. A great year for all kinds of relationships. However, there could be a problem with some people at your work. Good times with friends and family though. Health. Your health keeps improving and you may make a slight dietary change that would change your world. Think no sugar, no dairy, or you may become a vegetarian. You need to eat well, remember to sleep well, and exercise, even if it's only a walk. And of course, regular meditation to balance and focus your life. All will be well if you look after you. Have a wonderful year, Rooster. Enjoy. Hey, thanks for joining us. We appreciate you here on the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe us and leave that positive comment below. This year is going to be very exciting. Enjoy the year of the white metal rat. Wishing you much joy and happiness. 新年快乐. Happy New Year.